He's not getting away!
Hold it right there!
Help him.
Where the fuck am I gonna go?
Josh! Okay.
Fuck you, Bloom!
In 2013, Chicago realized the promise of smart cities with CTOS, a citywide operating system merging big data with surveillance, security, and transit programs. With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid. Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, CTOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States, ushering in the Internet of Things. 6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles, and home security systems give corporations a window into your private life. Control of your vehicle and mobile device can now be breached remotely by anyone at any time. You may think that you are immune or underestimate the risk, but your digital shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use algorithms to monitor your life habits and limit or deny coverage. Health providers determine if your cancer is worth treating. Search results and news feeds are skewed to bias mood and influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale. You are now less valuable than the data you produce. This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers, activists, and hackers have drawn their battle lines, putting the establishment on watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense?
Freedom's last line of defense.
So? Am I in?
Welcome to DedSec. I'm Satara. This sweetheart is Josh, aka Hot Sauce.
Yo, your hot sauce? Yo, man, I loved your frat house hat. Real talk.
Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench.
The needs of the many.
And this Casanova is Horatio.
What's up, brother?
Man? It's the crew, huh? Took y'all long enough to come get me. Shit. You saw Bloom's bullshit. CTOS isn't just regulating infrastructure. The amount of personal data that thing is collecting is fucking mind-blowing.
Yeah. It's Big Brother and Little Brother all rolled up into one.
Huh?
Sees everything you do and tells on you.
Thank you, Josh.
So what's the fix?
Sledgehammers and fire. No! Sledgehammers on fire.
All of that data in one place means they can reject your fucking application before you click on it.
Congratulations, you have been pre-rejected for our credit card.
Or your house, or your insurance.
That's not even the worst case scenario. All that data in the hands of the government, they'll arrest you for shit before you even do it.
Yeah, I've been there. Now I fucking know why. Man, fuck it! Fuck it, man. We're hackers. We outthink, we out dare. I say we tear down the fucking wall. Hey, show everyone what Bloom's up to, man. Show the world that their personal data is being used to rob them of their fucking freedoms. Fuck. I installed a back door, so all we gotta do is walk right through. what?
He installed the back door, so all we have to do is walk through.
Bingo.
Hey, man. Do you have the time?
Hell yeah, man.
I got it.
It's kind of late for a night run, isn't it? Hey, what are you running from the cops?
Maybe I am one.
Hey, you look familiar.
Have a good party.
King this motherfucker. Fuck you, Bloom. I'm gonna go have a goddamn good time.
Hello? Whose phone is this?
It's your new phone.
Where's my phone?
In the ocean, where you threw it, I think. I don't remember. I was pretty smashed. Look, meet us at the hackerspace.
Where?
Check your pics and figure it.
Okay, come on. Get the fuck Yo, whose place am I in?
Cause I could never make you unhappy. No, I could do that, girl. Only wish I could love you. Makes it so very hard to know. Cause I love you so.
Damn. I guess I was lit, huh?
Like Mardi Gras. Go get yourself something to wear, and I'll tell you where to go next. Oh, and you'll need your phone ready for operations. So hit the store and download your apps before you get here.
Damn, walk of shame on my first day.
Overwhelming number of scientists believe climate change is due to human activity, not by virtue of...
No.
The whole economy runs on the production and burning of fossil fuels, and as any positive change is through the reduction and elimination of our dependence on fossil fuels, and that means taking money out of the pockets of some very powerful people. We are crossing the route. Time to get our heads out of our... or didn't get there protecting our interests. They got... This is Kurt, the Swami of Swing, telling you to stay out of the sun. It's starting to get hot, hot, hot.
Stash and Vine's designer Kale will take every opportunity he gets to preach the gospel of raw and selfish denim. Imported directly from Japan, Kale's passion for high-quality luxury denim is evident in every stitch and seam.
Our denim clothes are a blank canvas for you to tell your story. You build up a relationship with a pair of jeans when you buy them raw. You're the one breaking
I need an ambulance. It's
We're
an
not going to
emergency.
do it for you. It's your clothes, your style, your story.
The new Smart TV by Home Electronics is the nerve center of your home.
Through one central command, you can control all of your household devices. Online access is a single click away. At Home Electronics, we make your lives simple.
Cisco Station. Yes, Bud, stand by. We're swinging back around. Oh, God, I'm hit! The bridge!